Andrew channel. Let's quickly look at Yearn Finance. It's been a while since I've actually looked at Yearn Finance, so I thought maybe we should look at it. So we can start on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see that we're oversold, probably looking for a bounce. Sometimes there's not a lot of volume in this asset or in this token in particular, so you do see some, especially on the smaller time frames. You can just tell on the chart, which I'll show you. So daily time frame is ready for a bounce. 3-day time frame that I looked at briefly has more downside, so that could roll over the daily. The 4-hour time frame right now, I kind of all along thought this was kind of bearish and a rising wedge, but I did long parts of it here and there. At the end of the day, I kind of broke even on it. But now this is a rising wedge, which to me looks like you are going to break further to the downside, probably at least down to 5,300. And then also I look at the 4-hour time frame stock RSI. That is a little more downside to go. 1 hour is very oversold, but it's below the 200. Anytime you lose a 1 hour 200, you should look for the 2-hour 200 to be lost. We lost that. 3-hour would be the next stop. You just lost that, and now the 4-hour. I see it's coming down to at least 54.82, which is the 4-hour 200. If you lose that, look for the 6-hour to do the same thing at 53.74 until we get a reversal. So again, the 1-hour time frame looks bearish to me. The 15-minute time frame also, I see a bear flag here. I did try to short this. I did get stopped out. I'm very tempted at this point to re-enter another short because it just looks possibly that we are going to continue further to the downside. And even when I do this measure move, you take from the last time you were completely overbought to the most recent low, starting of the bear flag, and you really do get that measure move of down to that support at 53.34 or even slightly lower. My measure move would be about 5,300 or 52.79 if you want to be more aggressive with the short. This is not financial advice, it's just what I see going on in the markets. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, and it does help support the channel. I'll be live at 2:15 p.m. Central Time later today in just about 2 hours. But for Yearn Finance, I see more downside. It's kind of a fun coin to trade, so I might take another shot at this bear flag here now that you're back at the bottom of the pattern. 15-minute time frame is also overbought right now, so I see Yearn Finance dumping more to the downside. We'll see what happens. That's my update on Yearn Finance. I see downside action, and I would probably put my take profit, somewhere around 5,300. If you go back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that you have a high volume node. Well, the high volume node is above us at 5,700. So I digress. I thought there'd be more liquidity to the downside. I don't see it right now. We'll see what happens. I see a dump coming though, despite the orders being above us. So we'll see what happens. I see a dump coming, at least coming to $5,300, and we can go from there. So the conservative take profit on the short, if you take it, would be 53.34. That's my update. I'll see you guys in live stream here in 2 hours. Cheers, and have a great rest of your Monday.